Hello Celestial Beauties and welcome back to my channel. I am Celeste and today I'm going to be starting with the thing that's easiest to unwrap, my Target haul. Woohoo! So I may have a problem or a collection depending on how you want to look at it. So some friends of mine have been asking about eyeliner, and so I need some more, which is why I've picked up Endless Silky Eye Pen some more, because I already have a few that I love. I love this formula. I picked up the black one and a really pretty, what do you call that, terracotta, because yeah, those are pretty. And then because I don't have one in white, I got this one from Maybelline. This is their Tattoo Studio. Tattoo Studio. That's interesting. And then Almay. I use my Pixie double-ended brow wand, but I wanted to check out the Almay Really Real Brows. Are they really real? Really? Really? How really real are they? Let's find out in some future video. And then this e.l.f. tinted lip oil. Cute? Maybe. It's from e.l.f. It's gluten-free, of course, so that intrigued me. More eyeliner. This is from Revlon. This is a special value because there are two of them for like $5. Sounds good to me. And then I picked up some Sally Hansen Insta Dry. Insta? Like for like the gram, or for like Insta, like really quickly? We'll find out. So this is in the shade Buff and Tumble. Okay, I can't resist a good pun, okay? It got me. They got me. And then I was looking for a lip liner that is not a gel lip liner, because gel lip liners, it's not a, everyone keeps telling me, Celeste, you need lip liner. And I'm like, every lip liner I've ever tried to apply hates me. So I'm like, maybe I just haven't tried the right ones. Do you know how many lip liners there are at Target? Not very many. I'm like, this store has everything. And they have like one brand, one. NYX. NYX is the only brand that sells a lip liner that is not a twist up at Target. What? Crazy pants. Crazy pants. So I got something from NYX, which is a crayon pour les lèvres matte. Crayon pour les lèvres. All right, we will try it. And I will show you why this is probably completely unnecessary, because I have some lip stuff that I really like, which might be coming up in one of these boxes. All right, on to the Sephora portion of our unboxing. Oh my goodness, guys, I've been looking forward to this for like however long it's been. Ooh, all right, what have we got? We've got a concealer. Yes, this is concealer. Ooh, it comes with a little tiny. Okay, if I ever use this, I'm gonna have to use this applicator, and I'm totally planning on using this for a video or something. Yes. All right, so this is the Out of Office Drunk Elephant. Drunk Elephant. Can Here, I'll just take them out. What am I doing? Woman. It's not only an unboxing, it's an That was not very lovely. Ooh, they're cute. Move this closer. Got this cute little lippy balm. Cute. There we go. Little lippy balm. This is cute. This is supposed to be really great for your lips. Got this Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil. Oh, this is like a little teeny tiny. I wonder what kind of... Oh, it's got a little teeny tiny pump applicator. Teeny tiny. And anti-pollution anti-pollution sunshine drops. Yeah, that's a mouthful. Also comes, and add a drop of Add a drop of this to your moisturizer or whatever, if it will ever come out. One eternity later. Oh, there we go. One eternity later. Ooh, it's really very, it's got quite a bit of a bronzy, got a little bit of a sheen, but it's more, no scent. The look of a suntan than of a, might be a bit dark for me. We'll see. Oh, but this, oh, I forgot this. Oh, facial treatment essence. This is also a sample. This is the SK2 facial treatment essence. The skin balancing essence. The SK2 skin balancing essence. This is a little mini thing. I feel like I am, what is this, a house for ants? Yes. But here, oh, here we go. Here is the pièce de résistance. Oh. Ooh. This is the Ciate London Glitter Flip Glitter Storm palette. I'm sorry, the Glitter Flip is the lipstick that goes with this collection. This is the Glitter Storm palette, and it comes in a very large box. I think it's because there is liquid in the lid of the palette, and so they have to ship it in such a way that it doesn't become pierced during shipping and ruin everything inside. Thank you. Oh, okay. Let's see how. Oh, this is quite shiny. Oh, shiny. I'd rather be shiny. If you don't know that reference, go see Moana. It's a great movie. Got a great mirror. Look at that. Oh, the beauty. Oh, the beauty. Okay, I am going to have to swatch this. Oh my goodness. So it has 4 matte shades, 2 shimmer shades, and 3 glitter shades. Okay, and this is a very purple, plum, and pink palette. Let's see, we've got Stargazer, Jupiter. Let's see, I didn't give Stargazer a very good go. Jupiter, Solar, Interstellar. Oh, so pretty. Comet. Which makes me think of reindeer, of course. And Whirlwind, which I'm going to swatch with my thumb, which is ridiculous, I know. Which is a beautiful light peach. And ridiculous. Oh, but you want to see ridiculous? Here's Pandora. And Strike. And Firestorm. Oh. Yes. Oh my goodness. Never mind me. Don't mind me what I'm bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, bloop. Yes. Yes. Okay. More boxes! Did I mention there were more boxes? All right. So there's another box. And this one is from Tarte. Oh, what did I order? Oh, I ordered a box full of what? Full of purple paper. Ooh. Look, it's a sample-sized Shape Tape. Actually, no, this is a little travel-sized Shape Tape. So this is full coverage, flawless matte finish. We'll test that out, won't we? America's most popular concealer. We got a little sachet of another cleansing scrub. We got 2 Tarte lip paints. Why? Because these are fantastic. They stay on my lips. They look great. They don't transfer. I can't like really tell that I'm wearing them. I can put a gloss over them and they don't make me look crazy when I put them on, which I love. So one I got in the color Festival, super cute, which is sort of a nude rose, rose, that's silly. And the other is an actual rose, so rosé. One is in sort of a purpley pink and the other is in an actual pink. Why? Wow! It's like I had a plan or something. I'm leaving that in. Okay. Ooh, another 15% off coupon. It's like I'm collecting them. And then I got another thing. I got the Tarte Pro to Glow. They have a bunch of these in different colors. There's the Pro to Glow, there's the Park Avenue Princess, there's the other one, which name I can't remember, but this is a little contour highlight and a more different highlight palette that is the same size as the eyeshadow Pro to Go, almost. They're a pair, or in the same collection. Comes with a cute little mirror. Thank you. And this comes with a nice little bloop, bloop, bloop. I got the light contour because I am pale. A very nice sort of shimmery light, with a highlight with a very light shimmer to it, so it's not too shimmery, and then a highlight that is a sort of pinky, more shimmery highlight that is a nice little travel palette to go. So I'm going to take this with us when we go traveling, so I don't have to take the whole works with us. That is the plan, and we will see how that plan works out. All right, so that is one Tarte box. But wait, there's more! What more? Yes, there's more. There's another one. It's not purple paper. Ooh. This is exciting. So, speaking of that lip oil that I picked up at Target, I also picked up the new lip oil in the Sugar Rush line from Tarte, and I'm going to compare them or something. And then I picked up the Pearly Girl tooth whitening thingamadoober from Tarte, which has gotten really good reviews, especially for sensitive teeth, because I drink a lot of coffee, like a lot. We're gonna see if that works too, or hey, why not? And then I got one of these. Woo! It's a hockey puck. No, it's not a hockey puck. It is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 palette. What is that? It is like the complete opposite of the Ciate glitter. This one has a brain on it. Okay, it's not a brain; it's a coral, or it's supposed to be a coral. This is an eyeshadow formula that is made with their algae infused makeup, and this is more of a cool toned grayish palette with a few shimmery highlight neutrals, and I will also swatch these. So let's start with Pearl. Got Pearl, Conch, Sunset. These all have beachy names. Yes, I'm that beach. Marina, Seaside, Siren, Breezy, and Riptide. So you can see that this is more of a neutral, cool toned and gold palette. So I am turning into a collectionneuse. I hope you enjoyed this haul with me. If you would like to see more videos like this, please like this one. And if you would like to see more videos in general, subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.